Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more FPS on Intel UHD graphics. Let's begin. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to your settings. So you're going to click on the Windows icon. Then you're going to click on settings here. You will then go to the section which says gaming on the left side. And then you're going to click on game mode. Now under game mode, look for something which says graphics. So now you're going to look for that game that you want to optimize. So you are going to click on the section here where it says search this list. But since I already have a few games here, so this one for example, Yakuza 0, you're going to click on options. And then it might be on let Windows decide or power saving on default. But what you're going to do is you are going to change it to high performance. So if it's on let Windows decide or power saving, you are going to instead click on high performance. So it's going to use that GPU. And then you're going to click on save. Now the next option would be to go to your Windows and then you're going to search up graphics. And then you're going to select Intel Graphics Command Center. So once you reach Intel Graphics Command Center, you are going to go to System on the left side. And then you're going to go to Power. Now next to power plans, on default, it's going to say balanced mode or maximum battery life. So what you're going to do is you are going to select maximum performance. Now next to power efficiency, you are going to turn it up all the way to 6. So instead of 1, you're going to turn it up all the way to 6, or you can just click on the plus icon there. Once you're done, you're going to restart your laptop or computer and then see if the game is running a lot smoother. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.